Hi guys, in this video I will unbox the Kill Team Octarius box. It has arrived directly from Great Britain and I'm really happy that now I can unbox it because it was on its way for more than 3 weeks. So if we open the box we will see lots of different things. And first I will unpack the main box of Octarius. This box has lots of pictures on its different sides, and I also like watching what is on the back side of this box, because even there are some more interesting information on the back than on the front. If we open this box we will find lots of sprues. First sprue contains some Death Corps of Creek details. And another sprue contains the orc commanders, details like their bodies, legs, weapons and so on. I really like the detalization of them, this makes them really cool. Also there are a lot of terrain in this box. This is the orc oil pump. And then we have two completely same sprues with orc buildings. We have two piles of rubbish. Then we have another two same sprues with orc buildings. Moreover, the last sprue that we have also contains some terrain for Death Corps of Creek. The problem that I found that I haven't got some details on sprues, but likely I found them in the box, maybe just broken from sprue, maybe some terrain details caused this problem. I will show you the total number of piles with miniatures and piles of terrain. There are enormous number of them. So I think we will have an interesting scenery while playing game. Next it's time to unpack the books. First book that I want to show you is the core book, which contains rules and lots of colorful pictures in it. I already started reading and I'm really interested in it. Next book is the Octarius book. This book contains some stories about Octarius and also some data cards about the units. There are also some tokens there. They are very colorful. When we have two same piles of cards, they just have different color. There you can see some tasks that the operatives and kill team should complete them. There are also 10 orange dice. And then the table. Also there are some small tiny pictures that you can put on your miniature, and very small but they look really cool. So that's it guys, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put like and I will be really grateful if you do it. Still, I will post some videos where I'm creating miniatures from polymer clay. I haven't finished creating my Space Marine army. In the next video I will create the Space Marine captain. That's it guys, bye!